Welcome to JH. I've been looking into VelestOff Cayenne pepper drops. The website makes several bold assertions regarding rapid outcomes and medical endorsements. While these are highlighted on their page, I couldn't locate any authentic data or references to support them. Although hawthorn is listed as an ingredient, the site fails to provide links to scientific research or specific professionals who validate these claims. Certain promotional strategies are quite noticeable. There are numerous 5-star ratings that seem repetitive, user photos that appear computer-generated, and transformation pictures lacking clear origins. You'll also see urgency-driven methods like timers and temporary price cuts, which are typical for new product launches. The asking price is significantly higher than standard wholesale rates for comparable items. Furthermore, the brand seems very new and provides very little contact information. Ultimately, if you are considering supplements for blood pressure, it is vital to consult a licensed medical professional first. Approach these online claims carefully and prioritize products that offer transparent testing, accessible contact info, and verified third-party reviews.